I hope my slides are so visible to you all. Okay. Good afternoon, all of you. We have seen problems faced by entrepreneur in previous lectures, right? And we have seen probable solutions. If there are problems, then what will be the probable solution? That discussion we have made in a previous lecture, right? You people also mentioned some of the problem, and we discussed some of the solutions for it, right? Everybody may have a different solution for the different solution problems, but anyhow in the future you people have to find out the solution for problem which you are going to face. I think we have made a discussion on this particular point, right? We have spent one more complete lecture for this particular problem point. Let me change the slide. Okay. So today we are going to discuss options available to entrepreneur. There are so many options available to entrepreneur. So today we have to see at least one, right? So that discussion we are going to make in this particular lecture. So friends, franchising is one of the option which is available to entrepreneur, and we have just started discussion on it, right, in previous lecture. So we are going to discuss franchising, what is franchisor, what is franchising document, right? So that discussion we are going to make in this particular lecture. What are the advantages of franchising to franchisor? What are the advantages to franchisee? What are the disadvantages? And how to approach the various franchisor, right? So that discussion we have to make in this particular lecture, and time permits, in this lecture we will see one more video of one woman entrepreneur who is having various franchises. Okay, particularly she is a franchisor, so she is having so many franchises. So let us discuss and watch that particular video. Now, franchising, basically franchising or franchising, two pronunciations are there. So simply you can say franchising. Okay, franchising is the pronunciation you can use. So what is a franchising? Franchising is basically arrangement where the manufacturer of trademark product means licensed person who is having license of that particular product or owner of that particular product legally. That producer, that manufacturer gives rights to another person. What kind of rights? He can use his product. He can use his product. That right he can give to another person. Who is that person? Generally, that person is a franchisee. Okay. So what he gets in return, he gives right to another person, but what returns he get? He gets return as a money only, a royalty. Getting? So this arrangement is already there in the market. One person is owner of particular product, as he may have a patent of it, or he may have trademark of that particular product, and he is owner legally. Getting? So legally he is a owner, and that person is giving right to other person. That arrangement is there in a market already. Getting? So have you seen any example, especially at the beginning, Euler Tea, especially tea franchises are so many that we have seen. But beyond that also, so many franchises are available that we will discuss with the help of one website demonstration in coming hour. Getting, so have you understood the concept of franchising? Franchising is the arrangement where one owner is giving right to other person to use his product. Obviously, he is asking for the royalty. Obviously, use means what? He can use for production. I am not telling like he will sell and he will use. Try to understand. He can produce his product. Suppose one mobile person developed one good brand, he can give another person, and another person also can manufacture. Getting? So this arrangement is there in the market. That concept is called as a franchising. Now, who is a franchisor? The franchisor is the person who is offering the franchise. Person who is offering the franchise is known as a franchisor. Getting? Who is the franchisor? Franchisor is the person who is offering the franchise. Means person who is giving that product to other person and asking, you can manufacture my product. I have developed this. I am the owner of this particular product. You also start producing. Such a people are called as a franchisor. Getting? So owner of trademark product can be called as a franchisor. Actually, most of the terms are looks same, but try to understand the difference. In MCQ, most of the time it is asked. Now, what is the franchisee? Now see the spelling. F-R-A-N-C-H-I-S-E-E. Franchisee. Franchisee is the person who purchased the franchise. One very well-known example like Eulity I have given, or another example is the, you can say, in especially pizza, right? Or KFC, right? KFC is everywhere. Person who becomes successful at the age of 71, right? And he is having his franchises at various places. So understood the concept, franchisee, who is purchasing that particular franchise is the franchisee. Now, if you take Eulity, Eulity already he is a franchisor, and if any one of you will reach to Eulity and you will ask, I want to start the same shop in my area, then you will be a franchisee. You will be franchisee, and Eulity will be a franchisor, right? And franchisee, this franchisor, franchisee relation. Who is purchasing? Who is giving money? Who is giving rights? That arrangement is called as a franchising. Now, what is the fourth concept? Franchise agreement. Franchise agreement. What is this? Basically, franchise agreement is the legal document that binds the franchisor and franchisees together. Means what is expected from franchisor and what is expected from franchisee. That legal document is called as a franchise agreement. Sometimes people call it as a franchise disclosure document, FDD. So now how to get this document? Today I am going to show the demonstration of a few franchisor. Understood the franchise? What is a franchise agreement or FDD? It is a legal document which binds the two people. Who are those two people? One is a franchisor and another one is a franchisee. Getting? So these two people who is binding, obviously it is a legal document, right? And what is written in that? What is expected from franchisor and franchisee? What they expect from each other. That document is called as a FDD, or also called as a franchise agreement. Got the concept? This fourth thing which I have told. If you understand this, then there are meaning to discuss some of the case studies. Yes, got it? Can you hear me at least? Can someone tell me? Okay, thank you, Akash. So I'm using new system today. So we are happy with this system. Just I'm confirming. Okay, no issue. So I'm audible and you people are getting, I think that there is no doubt. So friends, once again, I'm telling franchisee and franchisor. These two people, if you understand, then you will easily understand further what I'm telling to you. Franchising, you understand as a you. Those who are interested to purchase franchise from Evolity. Evolity is a franchisor and you are a franchisee. Okay. And there is one document that is called as a franchise agreement, or also called as a FDD, which describes what they expect from each other. And this is basically legal document which binds two people, that is a franchisor and franchisee. I hope you understood this few things which I have told you. Now, let us discuss what are the advantages of franchising to the franchisee. Now, you will say, to whom? To you, I am telling. In simply, you are franchisee. Let us assume, because nobody is having franchise along with them. So everybody is interested to purchase. Okay. So what advantages you will get of this particular system of franchise? What benefit you will get from this arrangement of franchisee franchisor? So first listen, so many advantages you will be understanding today, and you will say it's a very best option to start organization by understanding this particular concept. Okay, so what is first advantage? The franchisee does not have to spend resources trying to establish credibility of the business. Do you know credibility is very essential in the market so that people will accept you. If credibility is not there, then nobody will accept, right? So friend, you people will get the benefit that you need not to spend anything. For what? For credibility, I am telling. For brand product, right? If you want to work for brand product and if you want to sell the brand product in the market, credibility is a essential thing. And as a beginner, as a potential entrepreneur, you don't have it, right? So ability, you will start producing or start serving in Pandharpur in various zone, people will accept as it is branded product, and really sometimes it is a good, and if it is not good, then people will reject. That is another part. Getting? So ready-made branded product you can start selling. In short, I want to tell, this is the first advantage you will get of this particular franchising. Simple thing. Getting? What is the first advantage you will get? You need not to spend for the brand. Already branded product you are taking from a person that we are calling it as a franchisor, right? So we are taking branded product from franchisor and just we are selling and earning the money. Are you working here for the brand? Definitely no. Already this owner, already this franchisor has worked a lot. He has spent money, and now that product is there in market, ready-made product you are using and selling and earning the money. Very, very essential part, as potential entrepreneurs are not having money, right? For establishing a brand, you need time also and money, and that both you are not having as a potential entrepreneur. Getting? So friend, this is a very best option. Take ready-made product, start selling. Best option. Then next one is, once the franchise has been started, most franchisor will offer managerial assistant on the basis of need. Many franchisor gives the managerial assistant. Most of the time, as a potential entrepreneur, people are not able to manage their organization. So such a few franchisor are supporting such a potential entrepreneur in the terms of managerial assistant. They give certain assistance, they give training also. This is a second advantage. Then third advantage is that toll-free numbers are also available so that the franchisee can ask the question. For your information, most of the well-known franchisor are having their own toll-free number, maybe for complaint, maybe for asking doubts, right? So toll-free numbers also there. And I am mentioning this point as you will get support anytime, 24/7 support you will get. This is the best benefit you will get from the franchisor as you are a franchisee. Now, next advantage is local officer for the larger franchise continually visit the local franchisee to the offer advice and keep the owner informed of new development. So meaning of this sentence is that occasionally people visit your office, your center, who visits officers, technical officers, those who are supporting, or the managerial assistant, those who are providing to you, they visit your place and they give the support. Getting? Shubham, any problem? Okay. I was talking about the support. People, officers visit to your place and they give support, they give advice, and they also inform about the new development. Any development is there in their organization, they inform. So yeah, so change is there, immediately they inform to you, even they give training to you also, and ask to change the product, because every time continuous development is there in every product. Getting? So this is one of the benefit or advantage you can see which you are getting from franchisor. Then another benefit is there. The franchise offers an opportunity to start a new venture with support that could save the entrepreneur significant time and possibly capital. That I have told in the beginning. They give support in such a way that you need not to spend any kind of money for brand, as well as you should not spend money, time you should not spend. Ready-made, already they have worked a lot, and this branded product is there in a market. Just you have to sell it. Obviously, you have to manufacture, not just selling, you have to manufacture as well. Obviously, by considering their norms only. In some cases, franchisor also finance the initial investment to start the franchise operation. Now, these are the very rare example. Generally, no franchisor is giving funding. It happens rarely. I haven't seen anybody who is providing the funding, but well-known organization generally give the money. Obviously, they ask interest on it. This is one of the benefits in terms of money. Then next one is any established franchise offers entrepreneurs years of experience in a business and knowledge of market. Friend, one thing you have to understand that I was talking about the experience and knowledge, and most of the time this experience is coming from the work, right? And they give ready-made experience which they have. You did not to work for that. Getting? Just a minute. Okay. So one more benefit is there, years of experience of that particular business you are getting readily. Knowledge also. That person is ready to share knowledge. That person is ready to share his experience with you. And you people have to just behave like you have huge experience in that particular field. Getting? So this is a benefit. So chaha kasa banawla. So already that person has experience how it should be done. What is the production process of it, of any of the product? Just you have to copy. And that particular procedure or particular product is not a one-day product. Years of together that person has spent to develop such a product. Readily you can use this product. And another one is they are ready to help in maintaining the quality. They are ready to help in maintaining quality. So how? Most of the time they give the material, good quality material to you. So, and obviously in occasionally they visit and they check the quality also. So they help to maintain the quality as well. Getting? So these are the advantage to you people. Any other advantage anybody is knowing? Otherwise we'll discuss this advantages of franchising to the franchisor. Now we have discussed benefits to whom? To you. But who is giving rights of that particular product to you? What that person is getting? That we have to discuss. Can somebody tell me what that person is getting? Other than money. Obviously, money is the one thing that in terms of royalty that person is getting. Can somebody knows benefit? How many benefits franchisors are getting? Obviously, money in terms of royalty is one of the best or significant thing that person is getting. Anything other than money? What that person is getting? Franchisor is giving you rights and you are using it. Obviously, he is charging money. Now, we are calling it as a royalty. Other than this, any guess? Any guess? No? Friend, if that person want to expand his organization, he is also small scale entrepreneur. You can see most of the franchisors are small scale entrepreneur basically. And if they want to expand their business quickly, then what is the option in their hand? If they want to expand the business quickly, what is the best option they have? Finding the franchisee like you and in a specific zone and expand the business. Getting? The most obvious advantage of the franchising for the franchisor is that it allows the business to expand quickly using the little capital. He can expand his organization with the help of you, obviously, but with very less capital. He did not to invest anything to expand the organization. Already franchisees are there, they can expand his business. Getting? So this is the one more best option he is having other than money. Obviously, if his business gets expanded, again he will get money. So basic thing franchisor is getting is the money in terms of royalty, in terms of his publicity also. And one more thing benefit franchisor is getting, generally franchisor purchase the large quantity raw material, and obviously what they expect, That material only they purchase, and later on they supply to you people. You people means a franchisee I'm talking about. And obviously, large quantity material means they are purchasing in a cheap, and yeah, they are selling in a high price to you people. And most of the time in contract, in FDD, they quote like that, you have to purchase material from us only. And there also they have margin. Getting? So this is also one of the benefit they are getting. Means franchisors are getting. Understood? So any doubt till this point? Now, what is the disadvantage? You people may ask like, sir, you are telling so many advantages to that person also and to us also. Franchisor also getting benefit, franchisee also getting benefit. Then what is the limitation of the system? Obviously, every system has limitations. So first limitation itself is a limit of degree of freedom. Obviously, we are discussing disadvantages to you people, means franchisee, those who are purchasing the franchise. What is the first limitation? That is limit of degree of freedom. Means what? You people cannot use your knowledge to improve the product. Means whatever they have told to you, you have to produce same thing. You are not allowed to do any changes in that product. Means you are not having any freedom to make changes in a product. Whatever they have asked to produce, same thing, same proportion you have to put. किती दूध टाकायचं, किती साखर टाकायची, किती चहा पावडर टाकायची, ऑलरेडी त्यांनी सांगितले. Same thing you have to follow. You don't have freedom. First thing. Now you will say, कुणाला ते नाही का, आम्हाला इंटरेस्ट नाही चेंज करायचं. But friends, one thing you just think, where is the scope for your creativity then? So that's why I generally recommend to people, there are basically two reasons I don't recommend to go for franchise. Don't purchase any franchise. Reason one is you don't have freedom and there is no scope for your creativity. Second reason, whatever you are earning, you have to pay money to them. Means you are earning and somebody is enjoying the fruits of it. Obviously, you are also getting benefits, but somebody who is not having active participation in that production, still he is getting benefits. Means franchisors are getting benefit just giving license or giving just training. For that purpose, lifetime he is getting. Means you have to work day and night, and franchisor is getting benefits. And what is his involvement? Just giving license, just giving authority to produce his product. Getting? So therefore, I generally not recommend to go for franchise. Don't purchase any franchise, but just you give franchise. That opinion I am having. You create your branded product and then give franchise to other people. Which is the best option? Can somebody tell me which is the best option to you? Purchasing franchise or a simple thing, becoming a franchisee or franchisor, which is the best? Put in chat box your guess. Some people will say franchisee and no tension. Ready-made things are getting, why to worry? But overall, I have told various aspects. Now you tell me, becoming a franchisee is the best or franchisor is the best? Put in chat box. Can you hear me? I have asked one doubt or question, you will say. Becoming a franchisee is the best or franchisor is the best? Obviously, everybody's opinion may be different, but let me see the answer. Put in chat box. A option franchisee, B option franchisor. At least put A and B. A or B. Franchisee A option, franchisor B option. Which is the best? Overall aspects. Any guess? I am waiting for your answer. Somebody can unmute also, no problem. Those who understood the concept of franchisee and franchisor, definitely they can answer. Other, I doubt. Yes, anyone? Can you hear me? Respond something, A or B. Let it be wrong answer, no problem. Nobody? Can you hear me at least? Yes, I am waiting for your answer. Rohit, Rohit, can you unmute and tell me? Rohit Salgar. Omkar, can you hear me? Say something, yes, no.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
But then why people are not answering? I don't understand. Rohit, simply I have asked the question, becoming a franchisee or franchisor, which is the best? Franchisor is giving the license and asking money, and franchisor has to work and he has to provide money to franchisor in terms of royalty. Now I am asking the question, franchisee A option is good or franchisor B option is good? Yes, put in chat box. Okay, somebody answered. Let me see what is the answer. No guess? Okay, I will put my answer here. Akash, okay. Thank you for your response. So I am also of opinion which Akash has mentioned here. Becoming a franchisor is the best option because in franchisee, you are not having any freedom to make the changes. There is no scope of creativity. And franchisee has to pay money back to franchisor as you are using his licensed product. Simple thing, right? So here you have to pay money back. It's loss of you, right? But franchisor, you can become franchisor, have your branded product, develop very nice product, and ask people to use your branded product. Asking people to use means asking for the production and selling, both the rights, production as well as selling. Okay, so now another limitation is there. Over and above the original franchise fee and royalties, percentage revenue gets shared with the franchisor. Another limitation is there. Another loss of franchisee, like you people. What is the another loss? If you earn more money, if you work day and night, and if you have a lot of money, they ask again extra money from your side. Why? They say that like our branded product you are using, that's why there is too much sale, and you are getting more money. You have to give that money also to us. Over and above original franchise fee, again royalty percentage means suppose 300 cup limitation is there for availability, as per my knowledge. If you sell 4,000, 5,000 cups per day, or in a month or in a week, whatever limitation is there, target is there. If you sell more, they ask for the money, extra money. Getting? So this is one more limitation. Next limitation is there. The franchisor may also charge additional amount towards the sharing the cost of service provided, such as advertising and training. They have fixed cost of franchise, like Eolite may be asking 10 lakh rupees or 20 lakh rupees overall. So you people have to give extra money for advertisement. Suppose they decided to give advertisement internationally, you people have to pay money for it. Even sometimes forcefully they ask for the training. They ask like you have to get the training from us, and there is no option in your hand. You have to get the training, and obviously you have to pay for it. And another limitation is there. Entering into franchise with well-known franchisor becomes very expensive. Like if you want to take the KFC franchise, they ask much more money, right? So most of the time that amount is in a lakh rupees. So these are the limitations. Okay. Any problem in this? We have seen advantages to franchisor, advantages to franchisee, and disadvantage to franchisee only. Franchisor is not having any disadvantage. He is getting benefits and benefits only. Getting? So franchisor is not having any kind of limitation. He is a person who is getting sign on FDD. Getting? So that person is not having any loss. Understood? Any doubt till this discussion? Because this is one of the option available for you. Just become a franchisor or franchisee. Both options you have. So therefore, this bit name is options available to entrepreneur. This is a ready-made option available to you. Any doubt in this? Otherwise, I will show one website, and there we will have demonstration. So note the website name. Later on also you can visit and get the knowledge of this FDD. Okay, www.franchisedirect.com. It is an international website where you will get all franchise details. And how to get the details, that also we'll discuss now. Once again, I am telling, note the website www.franchisedirect.com. Okay. So let me open the website. Okay, if you'll go to this website, then this will be the first page. Okay. So I want to tell top 100 franchise in the world. Can somebody tell me which is the top first franchise in the world? Any guess? Anybody? This is general knowledge I am asking. which is the top first franchise in the world. Obviously in the world means it should be in our India also, means it is well known to you. Should we go to list? There is a ranking globally, so according to the ranking we'll go for the 2021 this year's ranking. Do you know McDonald's? And second one is a KFC. Like this, Burger King, 7-Eleven, right? Domino's. If you observe, the most of the franchise related to food always at the top. We don't know why. You have to find the answer for this particular why. Always at the top, food. Obviously, there are more, other than this also, you can visit this website and you can just browse. Like Pizza Hut, it has a 10th number. Dunkin is there, right? Subway is there. So like that, you will get list of the franchisor. I am not asking like you should visit, you should go for KFC. Reason you will surprise, like if I will say how much you have to invest for getting the KFC or starting the KFC, how much money you need. Obviously, I am going to tell you this, show you franchise disclosure document, FDD. Then you will say, I am not ready at this stage at least. Okay. And if you'll observe, the owner of top 100, most of the, you can say United States of America. Okay. In between, almost all top 20 is from the America. So in this way, you can visit. Suppose you want to get the document of the KFC, FDD document of KFC. So you have to click on that. Okay. So you have to request like this. You have to search from here also. Best option, you can search from food franchise, bakery franchise, then burger, candy. Various franchise options are available. You can choose at least one. Okay, so you can see various symbol. So depending on symbol also, you can recognize the things. Okay. Okay, so KFC. Suppose you want to start the KFC franchise. So KFC franchise cost and fees that I want to show to you. So how to get that document? So you can observe here below that logo of KFC, there is a one document or option, download the full FDD. If you click here, then they will not ask to immediately, it will not download. You people have to put your first name, last name, email ID, then in which country you are going to start. Obviously worldwide, all countries names are there. Then in which state, in which country, in which state you are going to start, and then you have to click on the download full FDD. Okay, once you click here, then they will say like our FDD document has been sent to your email ID. So already I have that document on my email. So Just a minute. It is there in Gmail. Okay, in this way, they will give mail to you. Okay, dear Sachin, click here to view the franchise disclosure document KFC. Okay, so if you click here, then that document will be in front of you. So if you observe, this document is obviously more than 300 pages, 383. It may need 1 month to read. It is recently updated in March 2021. Okay, recent document of this year. So now all detail, what they expect, how to use this franchise disclosure document, even all details they have given. Question, how much I can earn, like that, all questions, answers also there. And what they expect from you, what is expectation of, obviously your expectations will not be there, their expectations will be there. How much you have to pay, all document, even summary is also there. So only one, this index, I want to tell one important thing, that is a initial fees. Okay, so item number 5 on 8 number page, it is there, and estimated initial investment. Estimated initial investment on 13 number page it is. Okay, so whenever you will get time, so visit this website and get the document. So this is one example, well-known example of KFC I am giving. So you can get the remaining this FDD document. Obviously, in a tutorial, you have to do this exercise. Okay, so let us go to 13 number page, and one figure I want to show, that how much initial investment is required. Okay, your estimated initial investment. So they have given breakup also, like a background check, deposit fee, training expenses, then permit, licenses, real property, how much money, equipment. So like that list is there. Somebody can read this amount and convert it into rupees. So you can see total estimated. I hope it is visible to you. I will zoom in so that again it will, this number I want to show. Total estimated expenditure, how much it is? $1, how much? 14,42,600. Can somebody convert into rupees? Obviously, this expenses, this estimate includes infrastructure also. Can somebody convert the dollar 14 lakh dollar 42,600 dollar I am taking. You can convert it into rupees. Can somebody mention in chat box how much it is? I am told minimum. So depends on area, maybe cities. Obviously, it is in metro cities only, but depends. Means in various metro cities that amount varies depending on real estate cost. 27,71,550 dollar. Can somebody convert it into rupees? So by looking at this value, you may see say like it's not our cup of tea, right? This may be the opinion. Few crores rupees you need to establish the well-known, well-branded franchise. Getting? So in this way, just read the document. This franchise, obviously, there are so many things in detail they have mentioned. what is the requirement of infrastructure, in which area they are ready to give, because in certain area they count the kilometers. 50-kilometer circle, there should not be any franchise like that. Then only they are ready to give. They make the survey and all this. So like that, friends, what you can do, visit the website of various franchise. You can select top 20 also, top 10 also, or common. So KFC is there. If in the same way, you can get McDonald's, top first franchise in the world. Getting, so you have to click on the download FDD. There you have to put the name, your full name. You have to put first name, last name. And put your last name. Email ID is essential because they are sending detail on email ID. Obviously, not immediately, maybe after 2 days, 1 day, right? Like that. And then you have to choose the country. Okay, India. India, okay. And then city. You can say like Pandharpur. Let us see whether if already it is there, then they may not give this thing to you. And then you have to click download full FDD. For every franchise, you think for any of the franchise, this is a common procedure. This is the common procedure, okay. So what they are telling here, thank you for the requesting FDD download, right? And already after a few days, maybe after 2 days, that mail will be received on your email ID. Most of the time immediately, most of the time it takes 2 days also. Getting and go through it. This is one way to get the FDD. Another way is that you just visit directly their website. Suppose you want to get the franchise from the Vittal Kamath, visit their website, fill their forms, request them. They will call you and they will give the details. This is also one of the procedure, but there you will not get the technical details, right? So each and every detail you will get from this website. Thank you very much. If any doubt is there, you can ask. Otherwise, we'll stop here. Put your roll number and quit the meeting if there is no any doubt. Thank you very much.